One last time. Hindi ko alam saan ko ito ilalagay. One last time at everything. Oh?
Ikaw, makapalugtog.
Hindi ko alam kung grade na ito, pero I vibe with Andrea. Grade 8 pala.
I'm turning grade 8.
Turning grade 8. Oh, so, first year high school. Siya yung second na pinakabata kasi may mga kakilala sa grade 6. I vibe with them. I vibe with this person as well. Even though I'm old, as long as marunong ko may pag-usap, it's easy. Kasi I'm 19, I'm 20. Ayun o. Ayun na, no? Woo!
No!
And, alis na siya. Alis na siya, guys. Oh! Ingat! Don't kill yourself. Oh!
Which one? Don't or go?
Don't. Yun ang lagi mo linyahan sa kanya eh.
Yun ang lagi ko narinig. Go kill yourself instead of go kill yourself. Ow!
Yung chinelas ko pa. Pag may feet. Hello God, say hi to the camera God.
Ang ganda like Jimmy.
May sasabay guys, may sasabay.
Little Jimmy Urine. It's what I'm gonna become in the future.
Pre, my feet for free. Basta yung SS nyo to ha. SS nyo to, bayaran nyo ako $50 per feet.
50 is like, ano?
Laksan nyo, huwag kayong magalang sa camera.
150 reals yan.
Yawa gan. Oh, bunid. Wala akong kumangko.
Aray! Damn! That is hard. Wala na guys. Masera.
Wala
Hey!
yan, ingat.
Hindi pa ako alis ng Saudi. Bibisita naman ako pero I'm gonna miss these people. Solid. Even though may pagka-rebelde ako.
I'm gonna kill myself before I'm 28.
Uy! Hindi nyo na yung nakita guys.